channel messages for the 16th. This is my third video today. The 16th of October to the 27th of October, Cancer. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. But before we continue this reading, I need to say something. Cancer. My baby, you, let me play with you, come and play with you, come let me stay with you. None of them can wind the way you do, comfortable that. Gal, dance for me for the night. Do anything what you like. Hey girl, just hold me so tight. Love when the freak them come out at night. If you give your man bun, baby, that is alright. God will forgive you if you tell him a lie. Screechy like a thief in the night. No matter what you do, you are my baby. Cancer, osa wine, osa sweat. Me say, when you want broke your neck, gal. Anything where him want, him will get. Anything where him want, him will get. In a life, in a debt. I hear me say, make you want, make a bet, gal. Anything where him want, him will get. Anything where him want, him will get. Cancer, I don't know. I feel like you're feeling very giving to whoever has been giving to you, Cancer. Come make me stay with you. None of them can wind away you do. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Cancer. I don't know if someone is actually asking to stay with you for some time, maybe a few days, maybe a sleepover party. You get some marshmallows and s'mores. I don't know if someone's asking for their kid to sleep over at your house. Like someone's like, I have to go out for the night, I have to work for the night, can I keep my kid? He'll be sleep, she'll be sleeping, the kid will be sleeping. If she wake up, give her this and she'll go back to sleep. I don't know. Anyways, we have a Libra coming out first. You might be dealing with a Libra. We have mother, so I'm getting your mother is a Libra, Cancer. You have a Libra mom, or your mom is a Cancer and the son is a Libra. We have doctor, your mother is a doctor. Woo! Congratulations! Anyways, let's continue reading. We have a fire curse. Okay, your mother is a witch doctor. Your mom is a witch doctor. So your mother is not a medical practitioner, she's a witch doctor, which means your mother can cook up things and give you, and you heal in a 12 hours. If you're sick, your mother can go in the kitchen and she'll give you something that don't taste good and you're going to drink it and you're going to feel better. She's a witch doctor. Because we have a fire curse. The wounded healer, your mother is a witch doctor. I'm getting she don't heal everybody though. She might only heal her son, her daughter, close family and friends. Libra. Yeah, okay, so your mother is a very, very, I don't know if this would be like your mother work in a government sector. She work for the government, as in social worker, or maybe a lawyer. I don't know what she do. She do something for the government, Libra. But she a witch doctor. Me getting your mother work for the government, and me getting your mother is a woman them come to when them assign deal and give she your handwriting and everything for buying you. Me getting your mom's a witch doctor, but me getting on the cover, she would be like, magic is not real. What kind of shit is this? You need to go to a doctor. Your mother will tell people, say, if they might talk about magic, they need to go to a doctor. Me getting your mother a witch doctor. You don't know this? We have endings. So maybe, because we all already know what witches is, you know, the whole thing of witching. But then you have witch doctors which are medical practitioners in alchemy and witchcraft. Them can heal it in a day. Them can heal something in a day. Them can take away an addiction in a day. Me getting after you spend time with, and how you usually know people are healers. Me getting you visit somebody, stay with them, and when you leave, whatever ailments that you have, especially mentally, it left. Before you see somebody, you feel depressed, you overthink, you have anxiety. Me getting when you see them and you leave and you go back home, you feel great. That is a witch doctor. Or you're over them house and you start talk about the things that might bother you. And when you go home, you come over somebody's house and you tell them how you don't have a job and you don't have the employment. And the person I listen, them not cut you off, them I listen, they're very sympathetic against you. Them not tell you, you can actually just use Google AI. Them not tell you that. I had to pause and start again, Gemini. I don't know if the frame is shift. But so is my opinion on love. Anyways, Geminis. Yeah, so I'm getting something about your mother. Your mother is a witch doctor. You might not even know this. Alright? Me getting someone's a witch doctor, or me getting you say you want to see someone's true form. Speaking of true form, right? Come and just buy one little keychain, right? You remember Lilo and Stitch? You remember that whole Disney thing, Lilo and Stitch? Where Lilo was a maple syrup skin girl and she defined Stitch, which was a fucking alien. And she had to tell the government that Stitch was a motherfucking dog. And the government was like, Lilo, we know dogs. We know red nose, we know pit bulls, we know shih tzus, we know all dogs. And I am telling you, that motherfucker right is not real. The government was telling Lilo that, and Lilo said, it's a dog. It says rough. What does pig say? Oink. What does horse say? What does goat say? Bear. This is a dog. You don't remember Lilo and Stitch? She was trying to hide her alien as a dog from the government. And then the government was trying to take... It had a movie, brody. They did animation. I don't know if it's animation or manga. They did it, brody. And the government, they come for Lilo. The government, they come for Stitch. Because them said this is an artificial intelligence. Ma'am, what you have there is not a canine. It's an artificial... It's a semi-space artificial intelligence. We need to claim ownership. And Lilo never want to let go of him. Because Lilo was like, it's a dog, it's a dog. And then Stitch was like, Ohana means family. No dogs, and bitch ain't no dog saying Ohana means family, bitch. What the fuck? Anyways, we're getting something about somebody true form. This could be a doll. We're getting somebody might work with yarn. Or them work with thread. Me getting them rolled in a doll. Them I make a doll, but the doll roll. They roll the hands of thread, something like that. Anyways, your mother Libra, doctor of fire, cause you might find out your mom's a witch doctor. And depending on which witch doctor she is, she can be the witch doctor that performs voodoo. I see them have a sign in Jamaica, say no to the legalization of witchcraft. Ma'am, you know your grandmother? Look how long magic and witchcraft are doing in Jamaica. Remember the pastor who they call all these people to come to church and he sacrifice, cut them throats, remember? And then he try to run off. There was a big thing about this thing in Jamaica. They also said no to witchcraft. Tell that to St. Thomas. Tell that to St. Thomas. Oh, what the fuck this? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. We have the 6 of, so I'm getting something about your are you leaving? Gemini, I'm getting you have to go back home. I'm getting your mother have to go back home, or something about your mother. I'm getting something about your mother on our boat. I'm getting something about escape or evacuation. Somebody have to evacuate. I'm getting you evacuate on our boat. We have the Queen of Cups, alright? We have the Star card. And we also have the King of Wands, alright? So you're asking somebody to relocate with you? Maybe you're asking somebody for... You're getting your ask a star for relocate to another country with you. I don't know what the star do for a living. It could be something online. You're saying you can do it from any country. Come home, come with me. You're getting something about your mother. No, if that's not it, I'm getting something about your mother visiting and she brought a girl with her. And she a visit and she bring the girl with her, and I don't know if she introducing you to this girl what she bring with her. I don't know if you and your mother and the girl is in the same house together, but me getting something about you're talking to this girl where your mother bring from abroad that she will introduce you to, or you're supposed to marry, but me getting you have your eye on the star and King of Wands, or you're saying to yourself, if I go home, this guy go and get this girl. If I marry this woman, this guy go and get this other girl. I'm getting something about the star. I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aquarius. 6 of Swords is clarified by the 3 of Cups. I'm getting something about the girls are alike. You're saying all of them is the same. Them is alike. All of them are alike. I don't like these. I don't know if you're telling somebody you don't like these type of women. Because I feel like for men, Gemini are part of things with when you're talking to the moms, especially about wives, even though your mom wants somebody who will be there for you, support you. She want to know she'll leave you in a good hands. It's imperative you also express to her that to you as a man, whether you're a son or a father, sexual attraction is what drives you. So mom, I get what you're saying. I get that this woman will probably be good for me in your eyes, but I'm not sexually attracted to her. Chances are, mom, me go walk on the road and look on other women. Me go be jerking off to another girl video while my nice hard-working wife who is in the kitchen making sure I am okay with something to eat, she go through that behind her back. Because I don't think somebody is, I don't think your son or your daughter wild. But I do think that you have to understand that yes, in the end, morality is what's right, but we see how much married men leave their marriages for girls that were more attractive to. Close your legs to married men, huh? Close your legs to married men. Ma'am, if you did close your legs to your husband, you would have moved on with a brand new man. But you keep opening your legs to him after him going to one other girl to see. So I don't know, how did my legs become your and your husband's problem? I thought the problem was mortgage. I thought the problem was sending the kids to school. Close your legs to married men. Sweetie, if you would close your leg to the man where you did marry, who keep fucking on you, you'd have a new man. And chances are the bitch who would have keep opening her legs to your married man, she would have your married man, but he would have. And let me tell you something. Oh, why you going around telling Scarborough that I should close my legs to married men? You should motherfucking know, bitch. If my legs didn't close, he would have got to another bitch and your legs would have opened. It would have been past. It would have been pin the tail on a donkey for that man's dick. That you take down the blood clot aisle. You have somebody that close your legs to married men. Why was your man penal skin on my clit? Why was his penal skin there? Women are so fucking delusional. When your man fuck on you, you're not upset with the girl him fuck on you with. Why you not upset with your man? Hello? First Lady Melania? Do you have something to say, First Lady Melania? You can say it, First Lady Melania. Jess, right? Bitch, bye. Anyways, we have the Page of Pentacles clarifying the Queen of Cups. The Star card is clarifying the Emperor. And the King of Wands is clarifying the Queen of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting something about one of the girl. I'm getting somebody bisexual. The girl, not the guy. The girl is. I'm getting you have two choices. You can do with a girl who will be okay with you for swing with her. Or you can do with one girl who will cuss you every day. I see something from Broccoli Animations. Him tell him girlfriend him want to study alone, and the girlfriend freaked out. Me would have freak out too. Coming to me telling me, babe, I'm a doctor. I have to pass the bar. I need some time alone to study. Fucking argument. Why you need time alone for study? Don't you study in silence? Me can't in the room while I study. I'll sit on the floor and read a book. We'll color. Why you want to say, hey babe, I'm just gonna go in the other room because I need to pass this exam, just need some quiet. Okay, me can be quiet beside you. Why you need some time alone? Fucking argument. You want fuck. Why you never said that? Will you be studying with another hoe on the phone talking to? No. So why we can't be in the room with you? If it goes quiet anyways, we will not talk. We'll have snacks and we'll just stay quiet. You want to study alone. What kind of blood clot fucking argument that? Babe, I just need to pass this exam tomorrow, so I just want some time alone, You can't go to bed without me. Yeah, when you sleepy, sweetie, go to bed without me. I'm just going to stay up and get a few notes in. Fucking argument. I fuck you, go fuck for me. I'm not in that. Me, don't rather leave. We have a Two of Cups. So, I'm getting in a relationship anyways, but I don't know, you might be with the girl you want, babe, but your mother don't approve and your relationship with your mother distant. Or you're going to be in a relationship with a girl who your mother want you to be with, but the relationship with the woman who you're going to be with, it's going to start get distant. Because the woman is with you for the right reasons, but as a man, because I feel like when girl look for a man is not the same when a man look for a girl. When a girl look for a man, she look for stability. She look for security. She look at how successful him is, right? What come behind him name. And then she will also think about, sexual attraction and all these things. Because some of them girlfriend, boyfriend have blood clot ugly. So them can't tell you, say them talk about looks. Them want height and money. Height and money. Hear the shit. Anyways, for a man, yes, them want a homemaker. Them want somebody who can take care of them kids. Yeah. But also them want somebody who them attracted to. Rarely you hear a woman say, I can stay, I was just not attracted to him. I didn't ever cheat, but I just felt like I could do better. Girls will say that I could do better. You mean you can find a better looking man? Usually when men usually marry, when them usually marry exactly what them love sexually and find attractive, rarely the arguments are cheating. The arguments probably be other things. Maybe neglect, maybe pregnancy issues, maybe helping around the house, maybe maybe other things. But cheating is not usually an issue because the man is sexually attracted to her. No, if he's sexually attracted to her, and then you might marry your son to a woman who is good for him, but you're not as sexually active as your son. So, but know as a mother, you're saying in your head, listen, the game of life is one of us going to have to be a sacrifice in a marriage, and he's not going to be my son. I better him sacrifice the girl. I better she work her ass off to make him happy, than him a work him ass off to make she happy. That's what you're saying as a mom. But then morally as a woman, you're going to marry off your son to a woman who you say morally okay. But then he's not sexually attracted to her. And then you're going to start, usually you're going to have cheating problems. So your mom might pick a girl for you that she know if you cheat on her, she's not going to leave you. Rather you roll the dice and put all of your coins and cash in the whole of your chips for a girl who you're sexually attracted to and you'll never cheat on, but you don't know if she'll cheat on you. Because she's very attractive. And if men like you are attracted to her, there's other successful men who are in the same type of business or who is just as successful as you that's attracted to her. You are a big business owner, you're attracted to a girl. You know that I'm going to make other business owner attracted to her. If you is a rap guy or he's a criminal attracted to this girl and she get a chance, other criminals and rap people are attracted to you too because that's what you did do it. So that's your type. So I don't know. I'm hearing you say somebody, I'm getting you saying one of them. But no, like I said, somebody need protect. I feel like I can protect this one more. This one nice for me, and it might be really good. But I feel like this one needs, you know what she needs? I just feel like if I marry this woman, she's gonna have too many men chasing her. I feel like she needs protection, and I'm getting that's what you're saying. But yeah, I feel like to man, that's more valuable. Is what you're attracted to. Because again, you marry him off to a woman who is good for him. Okay, your son love. I don't know if you know this. I don't know if you did tell your son ever had this conversation with you. He said, moms, you know my sexual drive. Even in relationships, when I get down to, I'm not going to make one have to talk about this. So how high is your sexual drive? Because I have a high sexual drive. I don't talk, I don't have friends, I don't do anything, I don't do drugs, I don't smoke weed, but I fuck a lot. So if I'm there with you, is this something where sometimes we have animosity or tension because I'm horny and you're not? So now you marry your son off to a girl and you're going to take care of him, not attracted to her, and her sex drive is not as high as your son's. Cheating, you just marry off your son for commit an abomination within your marriage. So that's why God tell you don't focus on the flesh. Focus on what, when you marry, make sure when you marry, whatever, you're not marrying and seeking outside validation. You can marry a girl that's nice for your son, but the outside validation him seek is getting attention from more attractive women. From women who probably more sexually appeasing to him. You can date a nice girl, but her sex drive is once a week. Sometimes she don't want to be touched. Sometimes she gonna tell you when she go sleep. And this is a reality. Yeah, honey, don't try to make a move on me tonight. Maybe the other girl where you don't like, she don't care if she fucking 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. She okay with it. But she's not morally correct. You don't feel like it's a good gamble because she can't leave your son. The chances of this girl who may choose for him, she not leave him. No matter if him dog her. So, I'm just saying at the end of the day, are you trying to choose what is happy or are you trying to make your son a better man? So, yeah. Getting doctor, someone's a witch doctor. Someone could be a doctor, so you can't be married nobody. But I'm getting, if he's a gynecologist, he saw the best pussy he has ever seen and he wants yours. So I'm going to leave it here, Gemini. Until next time, goodbye.